Welcome to my YouTube channel, a moment of serenity and elegance, where beauty meets nature in its purest form. As soft ripples dance across the surface of the water, we are drawn to the delicate presence of graceful feet, a symbol of femininity, poise, and charm. Each step into the canal tells a quiet story, where flowing water embraces the smooth skin and the gentle contours of the toes and ankles. The natural beauty of these feet, set against the shimmering canal, creates a peaceful contrast, a blend of softness and stillness, of movement and grace. Light reflects on the water, mirroring the care and elegance expressed through these subtle moments. Every frame captures the gentle arches, the well-cared-for nails, and the simple adornments. Perhaps an anklet, a splash of pink polish, or the soft touch of sunlight on damp skin. This is not just about beauty. It's about calm, connection, and the quiet power of presence. Thank you for joining us in this tranquil journey, where fashion, foot care, and nature come together in harmony. Stay with us and let beauty flow.